Today I'll be speaking with Imran Jaffrey, Vice President of Water and Wastewater at Koch Membrane Systems, about the products the company is featuring in booth number 4955 at Weftec 2009. Please tell us about KMS's experience and expertise in the water and wastewater industry.
KMS has been active in the water and wastewater industry for over 40 years as a supplier of membranes and membrane systems for both municipal water treatment plants, wastewater treatment plants, as well as industrial facilities. We have a full range of products to provide solutions of pressing problems faced by municipal and industrial water treatment operators, especially given the restrictions in availability of water as well as tightening regulations regarding discharge of waters to surfaces.
What products will KMS be featuring at Weftec 2009?
KMS, as I said, we're a full-range supplier of membranes and membrane systems, so we'll have everything from ultrafiltration membranes for drinking water applications and RO pretreatment to RO and NF membranes and systems for desalination as well as brackish water treatment. One of the things that we're seeing more and more in the last several years is the need for wastewater treatment for reuse applications, and we also applied our membranes very effectively in those applications with the Puron MBR product as well as RO and NF membranes for polishing that for reuse. So we'll have all of those things there. We'll also have a solid group of engineers on site because we like to think of ourselves more as a solutions provider than a product supplier. So we'll have our engineers available there for people to speak with to help address their specific needs.
What are the benefits of the Mega Magnum reverse osmosis and nanofiltration systems over other available technologies? And how did they improve reliability and reduce maintenance costs?
Well, over the last several years, the RO industry and the RO and NF industry has been trying to look at larger diameter elements. The general advantage of larger diameter elements are that they provide savings in capital costs, especially when you start looking at large volume facilities, because you can significantly reduce the footprint of the plant. You can reduce the number of vessels, elements, etc. required because obviously each element has more area in it. The Mega Magnum product is a commercially proven large diameter product. It's been installed in facilities for brackish water treatment, seawater treatment, wastewater reuse all over the world, and has been running in certain facilities for several years. The key savings you get, you asked specifically about reliability and reduced maintenance cost, and that's a difficult thing to measure, but the key aspect of that is that if you have fewer connections, fewer O-rings, fewer fittings, you have fewer opportunities for failures at those points. And an RO plant generally will tend to fail, whether it's an 8-inch or whatever. The problems you're going to find is because somebody didn't put an O-ring on right when they were reassembling the vessels. And if you have fewer O-rings, you reduce the risk of that happening. The real savings on Mega Magnum tend to be more on the capital side when you're installing a new facility.
How does the Puron membrane bioreactor module reduce energy costs and improve operations?
The Puron MBR module was really designed to address operations issues with older MBR designs. Two key issues that people saw with some of the older MBRs was a problem with solids handling. MBRs are put into pretty solids-intensive applications, and having a single header configuration where you only have a header at the bottom of the module and the top end floats free really allows the module to more effectively handle solids because they have less place to plug up. It really reduces the risk of the module being bound with solids. The energy cost reduction comes from more efficient use of air. All MBR modules, whether they're flat sheet, hollow fiber, inside out, they all use scouring air to keep the membrane surface clean. By injecting the air in the center of each module and in the center of each fiber bundle, the Puron module really uses the air more efficiently and has been proven to be the lowest energy consuming MBR module in the marketplace.
Can you discuss how KMS's products and services fit into the current challenging economic landscape? Why do they make economic sense today and in the future?
I don't know that there is a specific economic advantage to addressing these problems today, but these problems aren't something that happened overnight. They're not going to get solved overnight, so we need to be looking forward and making sure we start to implement solutions today that will put us where we need to be a few years down the line.
Thank you, Imran, for speaking with us today. That was very informative. For more information, stop by booth number 4955 at Weftec 2009 or visit kochmembrane.com.